Welcome to Hack Central Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own lean business plan. I hope that you will find this video useful. If you have questions you would like answered, let us know in the comments or on our Facebook page. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. And of course, if you like this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Now let's get started. If you watched our video on a simple business plan, it was an overview of how to create a business plan on one page. But if you are new to creating a business plan, you might have not actually created a mission and vision statement yet. And I encourage you to take some time to really think through a mission and vision statement for your company before attempting your business plan, because this will be the foundation of your business plan. If you also watch that video, you'll also understand why we say that a business plan is a roadmap to your success, while the vision is sort of your direction, the destination of where you want to go, and your mission statement is how you're going to get there using your business plan. Now, a mission statement is a formal summary of the aims and values of a company, organization, or an individual. So you can have a mission statement for your business as well as for your life. So an example of a mission statement, and I'm going to use one from PayPal: to build the web's most convenient, secure, cost-effective payment solution. A vision statement describes what a company desires to achieve in the long run, generally in a time frame of 5 to 10 years or even longer. An example of this is BBC's vision statement: to be the most creative organization in the world. Now, as you may have noticed, a mission statement is more of the present. It's the way that you're going to carry out your vision. A vision is in the future. So a good way to remember this is your mission is what you do now to accomplish your vision, which is your dreams for the future, your goals that you're aiming towards. Now, the business plan comes in the middle of this because it helps us to negotiate exactly what we need to do, using our mission as a guide in order to get to the vision that we have for our company. To demonstrate this, I'm going to invent a company called Angie's Hair and Beauty Company, owned by Angie Thomas, which is a fictitious character. And her mission statement for her business is to provide high-quality beauty products at affordable prices online. Her vision statement will be to be the most cost-effective online retailer for organic and high-quality beauty products. Right, so now we're going to get into looking at how Angie would do a lean business plan, how she would summarize exactly how she's going to reach her goals on just one page. So here we have a template of a lean business plan, and you can find a copy, you can download a PDF of this version on LivePlan. I believe you still can download a PDF version. Well, this is where I got this version from. If you can't, you can simply do this linear, just based on these headings. It might be a little bit more than 1 page if you do it that way, but it would still be lean and very concise. So it would still work for what it is that you need. You could also create this very template using tables, to insert table, and just put these two into tabular form instead of what we do here. Alright, so for identity or fictitious business, we're going to put we offer high quality virgin human hair and beauty products. Now that our identity would be something akin to our USP. It is specifically what we're going to do, and it also incorporates our vision statement. So it's something specific and unique about exactly what we do, and this is why it is our identity. Now, just for clarification, to just get it clear on paper, there's the problem worth solving. This is also useful if you're working with a team, for the team to be clear on exactly what solution we're actually solving and how we're going to solve that problem. And this is also a very useful tool when you're evaluating your progress to see exactly if your strategies and tactics are working, what can be changed if they are not working. So in Angie's case, the problem worth solving is finding high quality human hair wigs and extensions at a reasonable price easily. A beauty supply store may not be nearby that sells organic and high quality products that you want. So she has done her market research and she has realized that a lot of local beauty supply stores sell a lot of cheap things and they don't necessarily focus on high quality wigs, natural fibers and natural cosmetics. And persons that desire to use natural skincare products and cosmetics and high quality products may not be able to find these in their local beauty supply and will have to search for these online. So she is targeting this market. So her solution: you can buy high quality virgin human hair wigs, weaves and extensions online. You can purchase hair and skincare products for your beauty routine in one place, which is online. You can find natural makeup and organic skincare products online on her website. Okay, so her target market will be black and white women ages 18 to 45 years old. And she chose to generalize, while she's targeting this specific group, she's also generalizing to throw a broader net so that she can attract more. So she's not using too much of a narrow customer base. So she's also including women who shop online, especially on Amazon, because she's going to use Amazon.com to generate traffic to her website. So the competition: local beauty supply stores that sell high quality and natural products, and online retailers. The sales channels, and this is important in your marketing activities. So the sales channels that she chose was, we're going to sell directly to customers through our online store and on Amazon. So because Amazon have a wide customer base, she's going to search for customers here first and then try to persuade them to visit her website for further purchases. So her marketing activities will include social media pages and websites. She'll partner with Amazon Marketplace to drive customers to her website. She'll offer promo codes to encourage Amazon buyers to make their next purchase on her website. YouTube demonstrations, reviews, and explainer videos in order to market her store and her products. Okay, so revenue: she expects to get revenue from virgin hair wigs, weaves, hair pieces, and half wigs, and her hair maintenance products, which will go as a complement to the weaves and hairs and wigs that she's selling, and natural makeup and skincare products as a sort of buffer for in case the hair sales are not going so well. Okay, so expenses: should have to get some inventory. Not everything can be done through drop shipping, even though some of her products will be done through drop shipping. There will be payroll because she'll have to outsource some services, and marketing and website because the website costs money, right? Okay, milestones. So the milestones are your goals. We have 5 milestones here. I wouldn't go to more than 5 on a simple business plan. There isn't space anyway. Don't create a second line for this. Don't go above 5, and you want it to be concise, and you don't want it to be less than 3. Right here we have it for each month, more or less. For Angie's, we are creating a milestone each month because she's just opening, she's new, and she wants to meet a high sales target by February. So she has some goals that she wants to achieve by February to grow her business. Afterwards, the milestones will get fewer and fewer for each year. But usually a milestone, you want to try to meet that after the first month, or after the first 3 months or 6 months, and perhaps have a milestone after a year, and then perhaps after 3 years, and then 5 years, and so forth. So you can determine, based on the kind of business that you have, what sort of milestones, how you're going to space the milestones basically. So for Angie's store, she hasn't launched yet. She's in the planning process. So she wants to launch on the 1st of October this year. So she's launching her online store and she's going to join Amazon. For her second milestone, she wants to make 100 sales by November, and by December 200 sales per month. And obviously she would want to be selling primarily from her website, so her next milestone will be January, to be selling primarily from her website instead of on Amazon. Her 5th milestone would be in February. She'd want to expand her business to the point where she can hire 2 employees. So she's really going to be focusing on driving sales for the first few months in business. This part is not necessarily necessary, but you could add it if you want, for clarity. Angie Thomas is the owner and manager. She just started her online thing. She's mostly doing it herself as a solopreneur. And Alice Thomas is her sister, who is younger and more trendy, and she knows social media, and so she's her social media manager. Partners and resources that she'll use: Amazon.com will become a partner. This is where she's going to drive traffic to her website. I've invented an online wholesale store, say ChinaWholesale.com, that she's going to source majority of her products from, and a website builder that she'll use to create her online store, her e-commerce business. So that's it basically. I have included a link to this website where you can go and source a PDF version of this yourself. They also offer a subscription service for other business services as well as this, that you could try if you wanted. You don't have to. I also included a link to a free lean business plan that you can just type in information online, and then they print it off in a nice fancy format for you. There are plenty of websites that are doing that nowadays. Or you could just simply open Word and just do a simple Word document, and you can do this with your team or alone. It only takes 15 or 30 minutes to do. It's less tedious, it gets to the point, and it's easily adapted in case you found out something new about your customers, you need to change something. So it's not one of those business plans that's going to take months to redraft. And it's especially useful if it's for internal use and it's not to source funding outside. So that's it. I hope this was useful, and if you have not subscribed at the beginning, I encourage you to subscribe now. And if you like this video, please share it, and thanks for watching.